All right, y'all, this is Big Rich. Now, I should teach a class, man. I'm going to show y'all, I'm going to post a little company I've been dealing with for the last week called Upstart. And it's on my, it's on one of my stock market apps. But I'm going to post it, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make money, okay? Think about this. I just want you to think about this. I invested $500, okay, on this company called Upstart. I made $61 off of that $500. Now, that just tells you right there, if I would have invested $1,000, okay, I would have clearly, and I don't even really, you know what I'm saying, I was just really playing around when I did this with my daughter because I was trying to show her how you can make money out of thin air. Because she didn't believe me. You know, even though I've been teaching her stocks and all this, she don't understand that you put money up, you get money out. The more you put up, the more you put out. So if I would have put up $1,000, I would have made $120 in 30 minutes. Now that's more than what some people go to work and make for 8-hour shift. Okay? So you can imagine what I normally put up, $5,000, I clearly would have made over $600 within 30 minutes. But I'm gonna put this up, I'm gonna show y'all to try to get y'all into this game. And this is what they should have been teaching us when we were young. This is the game that the world operates. People that get money, they don't get their money from paychecks. And if they do, they create a business and they sign themselves to their business. You know what I mean? And they get paid off their business and they get their bonuses and they get, you know what I mean? That's how you make money. You know what I'm saying? But the most they pay is what's called capital gains tax on the money that you make off the stock market. But guess what? Donald Trump lowered that, I think almost 20%. I think it was at 28. I'm not sure. Check me on that. But I'm just letting y'all know that it's so easy to make money. You have to be disciplined. And for y'all young people, you know what I'm saying, that's in the game, that's thinking about buying cars and butter products, stuff that really don't make money, okay? The car is good if it's going to get you back and forth to work, but if you're buying it, trying to put car stereos and rims and all that bullshit on there, scrap all that. Man, get you a little $2,000 bucket and call it a weekend, get point A, point B. Because that money that you're using, that same $5,000 that you use to buy that scraper, you can use that money to put up every day on one of these stocks. That's making money. I swear to God. Easiest thing on earth to do. Go to Cash App. Everybody got Cash App. Look to the right at the bottom. The second to the right is your stocks. This is how you get in the game. I just want y'all all to do this. Just put $40. Just $40. $40. Nothing too big. And the reason why I'm using Upstart is because I know that stock goes up and down all throughout the day. You got to buy it at the lowest. Okay? Just wait. Be patient. Buy it at the lowest. You know what I'm saying? I think it's at it was at 130 or I think, one something today. But wait till we get to 118, then buy it. Right? And it'll drop. It'll drop to 118. That stock and Telray is another stock. Buy this stock $40. And as soon as you make $3 or $4 off of that 40, you will get it. You will see what I'm talking about. But you have to see it. And once you make money out of thin air, then once you see it, you're going to get the bug. And you're going to be like, oh man, I should have been doing this shit. Why was I buying all this garbage when I could have just been putting that money up, making money? Now, you can't do too many trades a day because that's called day trading, and you got to put up, they do that, they're allowed, so they won't let motherfuckers that's broke flood the market and mess the game up, right? Because it's all a game. That's all it is a game. So if you want a day trade, you got to put $25,000 up, and then you can make all the trades you want that day. But if you don't want to put that money up, you're allowed to make 4 trades a day, maybe 3 or 4 trades a day before they penalize you, right? And then they stop you from making money, basically. You putting your own money up. But that's the game. And don't get discouraged, because what that means is that you can't do too many trades, but that means you got to put more money down. And it's no big deal, because guess what? You just put that money down in the bank. It's in the savings. It ain't doing shit for you there. So whatever that money, you put it up. It ain't going nowhere. Because one thing about stocks, unless the company go bankruptcy and things go all bad, the money always going to be there in one shape or form. It's either going to be a loss or a gain. And if it's at a gain, you can always sell it. You know what I mean? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you may get stuck with a stock one day. It's no big deal. You know what I'm saying? You get your money back tomorrow. Because what? Because it's going to either start off low in the morning at 6:30 in the morning, or it's going to start off high. Whatever it is, you'll be able to capitalize off of that. But just get your feet wet. Put $40 up. As soon as you see that $2 or $3 that you're going to make off of that, then you'll understand what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? Game is sold, not told. I'm out.